Guys, I'm absolutely sick and tired of crypto influencers spreading so much FUD and posting all these charts, patterns, graphs, and all these models that are supposedly telling us that we are at the bottom. And which is just, in my humble opinion, just ridiculous. In this video, I want to show you a bunch of most popular charts and tell you exactly which one is true and which one is not. Because if you're a crypto trader, so you are being fooled and you're gonna lose money at the end of the day if you follow some of these charts. Without any further ado, if that sounds great, then make sure to watch this video from the beginning and until the end, and also subscribe and hit that like button for me providing the realest content out there on YouTube right now, which is absolutely crazy. I'm just sick and tired of this, and I'm gonna explain also why some of these charts are actually floating around. And the same thing goes for the indicators, like for example RSI right here. A lot of people are saying, oh look, we are coming to this area right here, and it was also right here during the COVID crash, and we just came to this area also right here. It means that this is the bottom. And you know, this philosophy, and booyah, we are going to $100,000 very soon. Same thing goes for example, this chart. This is a very popular one, mathematical one, and somehow, you know, when you think about this, somehow it makes sense that, for example, here, back in 2015, from this support in this wedge, from the support of the wedge, we went down 49%. Then in 2020, basically during the COVID crash, also from the support of the wedge right here, we actually have gone down, what was it, about 47%. And then right now we are also supposedly putting in the bottom at 45% from the actual, you know, support of the wedge. So this also, everybody's like, booyah, this is the bottom. Also, the same thing goes for example, this chart right here, which actually, you know, I have to agree, it looks beautiful. That we have 2019, we have this spreading wedge, and then 2020 spreading wedge, and then another spreading wedge, whatever. And right now, you know, somebody is drawing these extra lines showing here that it's gonna explode just because of the mere fact that we had these spreading wedges before. Now the same thing goes for example this one. I mean, all these models are really great, they look great. And if you're gonna, you know, that's what happened in 2019, this parabolic move, then we have the same kind of a formation right now. The history is repeating itself, and then we're gonna see Bitcoin and at least, you know, like $30,000-$40,000 very soon. The same thing for this one. This is the Vyckoff whatever pattern, which is supposed this pattern is probably like 100 years old at this point. And here supposedly we're seeing the same kind of accumulation phase, this one right here. So supposedly we're gonna move off into space. And guys and girls, now before I talk which one is real and which one is not real, what is the realest thing is my Discord channel. It's absolutely free, and that's where you see all of my trades, all of the smaller trades that I'm taking. We're posting all of my trades right here in VIP trades, and all the explanations, take profits, stop losses, etc. Everything is in there, and our community is making ridiculous amounts of money. And the craziest thing about this, I'm not charging any money for Discord, not $20, $50. It's absolutely free. There's a link down in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. If you want to join us for absolutely free, join us right now. You're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna learn how to trade, and you'll be able to copy my insane trades and make money together with me. But certainly I have to remind you that all the bigger trades, like all the bigger swing trades, are gonna be here on this YouTube channel. So subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I make a new upload. And basically what I want to tell you is that in the current macro environment, and the reason, by the way, guys and girls, why influencers are talking, crypto people are talking about all these patterns, all these formations, the reason is very simple, is because they have nothing else to talk about, and they need to fill up the time. They need to make a video once a day, so that's why they keep talking about these things. So now, which one of these actually matters? Which one of these actually predicts the future? And I can tell you, not a single one. And let me explain why before you actually scream at me in the comments. So is it possible, just for clarification, is it possible this is gonna play out just in the same way and people then gonna come out and say, oh, I was right, look, my pattern played out? Is it possible? Of course it's possible. Anything is possible. However, I think that if it is going to happen like this, if we're gonna see this kind of a continuation here from this flag, if we're gonna see this, you know, become true and this being the correct thing, and also the RSI, then later on people are gonna say, oh, you should have bought here here, just like before. It was so obvious. The thing is that if this is gonna become true, I think it's going to be simply a coincidence that the things that actually matter played out in a positive sense, which allowed these patterns and these models to not be broken and to become actually true. So what is it that actually matters? And I'm gonna tell you. And before I do, guys and girls, remember that our long trade is still open over on Bybit. And if you want to be trading actively yourself, then there is a link to Bybit as well as to BitGet and Binance and OKX down in the description of this video. And in total, you can claim up to like $20-something thousand in initial deposit bonuses. And certainly the biggest bonuses are with BitGet, and you can see this right here, that with BitGet, you're getting up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses. You get my famous paid crypto course for free if you deposit more than $500, sent to you within a few days to your email. And also you're getting insane cash back on your trading fees, which shows up, let me show you, like this in your spot account. So $41. So even if you're a break-even trader, you're gonna actually make money at the end of the day, which is a kill for feature that actually so far has already made me a few $1,000 because I'm getting this cash back as well as a BitGet user. And you're gonna get all these bonuses only if you're gonna use my links down in the description or in the pinned comment. So now let's get to what actually matters. And what matters is, here is an example. Hong Kong mules lifting retail crypto ban, and local securities regulators will conduct a public consultation on restoring crypto assets for retail investors. Now imagine, so China was like, oh, we're gonna ban it. And now they're looking at it like, Jesus Christ, nobody else is banning it? Nobody? And this is a multi-trillion-dollar industry. We gotta make money on this, guys. Let's try to find a way to unban this crap, and let's just make money just like the United States and the rest of the world. So this is what matters. Imagine the amount of money that is gonna again flow into cryptocurrencies if they're gonna lift the ban. It's gonna be quite crazy. And if it's gonna coincide with this pattern, and all these guys are gonna say, oh wow, you know, this pattern played out. And the same thing, most importantly, tomorrow, basically right here at 2 p.m. Eastern time, this decision on the interest rates. Is it gonna be what? Is it gonna be 75 basis points, 50 basis points, 1 full percentage? What will Jerome Powell say about the monetary policy of the Federal Reserve is going to be much more important than any single one given pattern or model I've showed you in this video. So for this reason, guys and girls, stay sane, watch my videos, subscribe. Right now, I am the realist guy here on YouTube, showing you exactly what you can expect and telling you how to trade, because right now we're still in our long trade and we're actually still in between this blue support at 20,300 and this resistance at 20,900, which is this yellow resistance right here. And we are obviously still in this wedge. So the breakout will probably come tomorrow at this FOMC meeting. So if I'm gonna be flipping short, or I'm gonna maybe add to my long trade, I'm gonna certainly keep you updated. So number one, join my free Discord channel right now, subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss my one single upload. And also I'm gonna link my free crypto course that I've done on crypto right here on how to trade Bitcoin or altcoins. Check it out before tomorrow so that you know exactly how to trade and how to follow my trades. And as always, peace and love. Thomas Krallo. Make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.